Welcome to EdTech and Teaching Strategies, where this channel focuses on current and upcoming education technology, strategic execution that will help teachers make their careers a lot easier. In this video, we're going to dive into using an offline tool set I created for planning your seating arrangement using HTML software that will help you seat your students automatically and group them heterogeneously. The first tool for this is the seating chart randomizer, where at any given moment, you can arrange seats at the push of a button. Now, I consider myself a wizard at using Google Slides to illustrate a layout for my entire classroom. But whenever I need to add or change names when students transfer or just simply relocate classes, that's really what they're simply doing, updating my seating arrangement became a hassle. So what did I do? I created a drag and drop seating chart tool using my web design expertise that can be used offline to save the names automatically to the text area and randomize names instantly. The names could also be moved manually if I am not satisfied with the setup the randomizer gives me. I also have the ability to add and subtract as many desks as needed, which can come in handy for grouping heterogeneously for certain tasks. The tool is programmed to where you can change the class names at times, and all data that you store on this tool will be saved to the browser unless you decide to just simply delete your browser history, where your data will then be erased. Once you have your desk set up, you can click either the export class button or export all classes if you're a middle school teacher like me teaching multiple classes. This tool can be used for substitute plans or in general to help you keep on track in case you have students rearranged for group work and so on, whatever the purpose is. Now, if you combine this tool with the heterogeneous group randomizer, you can pair students together by ability based on data or another measurement. When grouping by assessments, I need to mind you that this tool doesn't so much as randomize as it does planned pairing based on the JavaScript algorithm that sets students up predeterminedly based on the scores you enter. Now, the scores that you enter don't have to necessarily just come from a major standardized test, but they can really be used for any interim testing that you're doing, benchmarks, checkpoints, teacher-created tests, whatever. However you want to group the students and change them, you can enter any scores that you want to in the score assessment section. If you want more of a random group setup, simply delete the scores from the randomizer where it's optional and just leave the student names. Now, based on how many students you're trying to group, you can adjust the number of groups you need, and the randomizer will take care of the rest. Once you have your groups together, you can then combine the setup with the HTML seating chart software app to arrange the apps however you need to. Now, the tools that I'm talking about in this video and even upcoming tools can be found in the store that I call the Offline Tech Tools and Game Store, where you'll see more drag and drop activities coming soon, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire generators, and other offline software in the simple HTML files that is being loaded into the store. So click that link in a pinned comment below or description, but mainly pinned comment because we all like to rush to the comments to see what everybody's saying and to simplify to systemize your grouping and seating arrangement setup. So eliminate that guesswork and let the tools do the work for you.